Welcome to Mandarin with Lily, a YouTube channel where you can learn and improve your Mandarin. Eventually, you'll be speaking Mandarin just like a native. If you have been learning Mandarin for a while, I'm sure you probably have come across 把 structure in Chinese. My student Emma thinks it's one of the most difficult structures to master in Chinese. Today, we will try to demystify it for you. Students are very familiar with basic sentence structures in Chinese, which are subject plus verb plus object and subject plus adverb plus adjective. 我看电视 I watch TV. 今天天气很好 The weather today is good. However, a 把 sentence structure is quite different from the traditional Chinese sentence structures, which is subject, doer of action, plus 把 plus object, receiver of action, plus verb, plus other complements, result caused by the action. You can think the meaning of 把 as take in English. 汤姆把我的冰淇淋吃了 So this means Tom took my ice cream and ate it. Tom ate my ice cream. 把 sentence indicates that an action, the verb, is applied to somebody or something, the object of 把, with the emphasis that the action will bring about a result. The verbs used in 把 structure are transitive verbs, which means an object is needed after the verb. These verbs can govern or influence people or things, can apply action on the object of 把. Verbs like this are 吃, 喝, and 做. Verbs like 是, 有, 在, 知道, 认识, 觉得, 喜欢, etc. cannot be used in 把 sentences. A very good question is, under what circumstances a 把 sentence structure needs to be used? Let's go through them one by one. When 在 is used after the verb as a complement. 请把画挂在墙上 Please hang the picture on the wall. When 到 is used after the verb as a complement. 老师把2个学生叫到办公室了 The teacher called the 2 students to the office. When 给 is used after the verb as a complement. 他把书还给我了 He returned the book to me. When 成 is used after the verb as a complement. 他们把客厅变成办公室了 They turned the living room into the office. In addition, 把 structure needs to be used when the verb takes compound directional complements and an object of place. 他们把礼物送回家去了 They sent the present home. Do you know any other complements with which the 把 sentence has to be used as well? You can find out the answer in my online course. Feel free to get in touch if you are interested. Simply send an email to info@mandarinwithlily.com. Thank you for watching. Happy learning.